Goldman Sachs says 300 million jobs vanish by 2037. That's not fear, that's their official report. Right now, 94% of Fortune 500 companies test AI automation daily. McKinsey data confirms it. Data entry roles will cut by 47% in 36 months. Customer service positions shrinking fastest. Amazon eliminated 10,000 support roles this quarter. They replaced them with Claude AI. Accounting firms fired junior staff wholesale. Deloitte's automation pushed 15,000 accountants out. Coding jobs bleeding talent. GitHub Copilot handles 55% of new code now. Translation work collapsed. Google Translate AI processes 5 billion requests daily. Your job sits in one of these categories right now. If you process data, respond to customers, or code anything, you have 24 months maximum. This isn't coming, it's here. Today. Upskill immediately or become obsolete. Learn prompt engineering. Learn AI management. Learn what machines cannot replace yet. Your paycheck depends on it. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.